Hey there YouTube. Today making a quick video showing you how the insides of my thermostat housing look like and also how to replace. There are 5 bolts in total. This bolt right here is the shortest one. Let's see what kind of crud's in here. I have some rust on these bolts. This is the second one that had rust on it, so they must not use stainless steel bolts. Here is the gasket that I'm gonna replace. Looks right. There's a little tang up here to help you remove it. Wow, that is really stuck on there. There's that little guy. So, this is the actual Poppet thing. Here's the diaphragm. Should probably order one. And time to go check this. Alright, so I tested that in a hot pan and it opened at around 122 degrees. It's a 120 degree thermostat, so it's about right. Not quite sure what that little bubble of plastic is. Looks like it's supposed to be like that. Alright, now I have the unpleasant task of cleaning this. Alright, I've been scrubbing on this piece for the better part of a half hour, and I finally got all the gasket off by using gasket remover and water and plastic razor blades and a brass brush, and finally it's smooth. And now to work on that. But if you're going to do this, just leave yourself some time to get the gasket material off, because it was really impregnated into it somehow. Now I see why people just double up the gaskets, because that would be a lot quicker. So just before sunset, it's time to put it back together. Alright, so the thermostat goes over the gasket there, and for this, the gasket goes over the diaphragm edge. Get your spring. Something tells me this is going to be fun. Looks like there's a little slot in here. Tiny little bolt and put it in there. Alright, center that as good as you can. Looks good. Alright, got my torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds. Alright, now we check her for leaks before the sun goes down. Alright, no leaks. Success.